Action.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to JAMMIWOOD Entertainment. Guys, we have part two for the polygamist. Guys, I know what you want my son. Fire us, out of my bed, we made an intro here. Guys, want to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, we are out if make this a video possible. So, you know, so even know what is a movie, this is a movie, guys. Please tell your grandmother, your father, your family. Guys, share up the movie, like, share, comment, and subscribe.
I can't help myself. I am a polygamist. Don't know why I'm acting like this. I can't help myself. I'm a polygamist. The more I see is the more I want, and the more I get is the more I want. I'm a polygamist. I just can't resist. I don't know, I just can't help myself. Or maybe I don't want to. Every time I promise I'm going to settle down, another pretty woman comes walking around. I try to behave, but temptation calls. And before I know it, I want them all. And girl, if you look good, remember that I want you. I want you anywhere, you'll have me. I don't care if you're using me or you love me. I just want it when I want it. You set it and I will plant it. I'm a polygamist. I'm a polygamist, yeah. And I'm proud of it. Monday, I'm calling Keisha. Tuesday, I'm checking Lisa. Wednesday night is Shanice. Thursday, I'm begging for peace. Friday, I'm out with Tasha. Saturday, maybe Sasha. Sunday, I'm down on my knees, asking the Lord to forgive me, please. But when the church service is done and I step back out in the sun, another beautiful woman passes by, and there goes my promise one more time. Every time I promise I'm going to settle down, another pretty woman comes walking around. I try to behave, but temptation calls. And before I know it, I want them all. And girl, if you look good, remember that I want you. I want you. I want you anywhere, you'll have me. And I don't care if you're using me or you love me. I just want it when I want it. You said it and I will plant it. I'm a polygamist. I'm a polygamist, yeah. And I'm proud of it. One woman tells me I must choose, but choosing means somebody has to lose. How can I give all this love to one when sharing the love is twice the fun? They tell me, boy, I'm playing with fire.
Look at long this time.
Yeah,
How much? Look at 10 of them.
that's 6 over there and 2 someplace else. About 8.
Yeah, man, the people them going nice. This is summer, yeah? Going nice to them, you know?
Yeah, and independence coming up, you know?
Yeah, man.
So wherever. All those over here, that's for another group. That over there is for another group.
yeah.
These right here, you know, like it's already packed. These are some leftover that I have to pack.
So, oh, you remember so much people
But you see, what happened, you know, you can't give the same person all the time. You have to, you know.
You have to rotate it.
Yeah, you have to do that. And all the bags, you know, they are made up of a bag of flour, a bag of rice, a bag of sugar, corned beef, sardines, tuna fish. You know, you
The
name it.
essential,
Oil.
yeah.
Yeah,
You think them can eat something salad.
yeah,
Yeah, man. It's well needed in this time, you know.
yeah. Plenty noodles,
All right.
you know.
Nice. So somebody go smile. No one somebody. Whole of people go smile.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, auntie from here say the about me. Say me have to come and check you. A
Yeah,
great
yeah.
work you go on with.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah.
the thing set, you know.
Yeah, man. It's a good vibes, man. You see it?
So the thing set.
Once you can do it, you do it. You see it?
And all those are the little children clothes.
So the kids them have smile to that. This is summer
Yeah. And we gave out about 3/4 of the things already.
already.
Yeah.
Come just say there you come down about last week. I'm sorry, me have to call link you.
Yeah, man.
Because you know, well, I think I'm going on my place somebody, but me go talk about it when it's done still. Come know, say hear some of the things them, you know.
Yeah, man. A lot of negative things. And
Yeah, but some of the negative them
positive.
go turn positive.
Yeah.
One idea there. Well, what Candy tell us now? Come know, say Candy call you know.
Well, she did. And to be honest with you, the brethren, I don't like what's going on. She told me that we're adults. You're giving her a bun with a maid.
You know, say between me and you, me try most of the time not to. But me don't know why she keep on getting the attractive one them to come work.
Okay.
She not get none when I look good. If one of them look good and then them a come on to me, you know.
So, question. What if she get a male housekeeper?
It
Would you
can't
like that?
work. No, it can't. Come
but-
where?
But why is it that men always want to do things and then women, they said women can do what men do. It's just a male maid. You want her to get female maid, and what if she want to get a male maid?
You know, traditionally, there is not such things as a man maid. You have a man butler, but we don't need no butler.
All right.
The maid is good. But I'm telling you, there's something about, me think say maybe me have a, me think it's from Africa.
You have agreed.
No, it's not really a greed. Maybe I have a need.
I need.
Yes, because one of the things what I've learned, there's a lot of different locks out there, and I have a universal key. So I keep on opening up a lot of locks, and it feel good to me sometimes. But me know say wrong one day. So my time I tell myself that I'm not doing it again, and then somewhere along the line it happen again.
Where's the baby?
Oh, the baby, yeah, one baby out there. I think somebody out there.
Somebody's with the baby?
Yeah, somebody out there with the
Okay.
baby.
Okay. So, boss,
So
you
me,
related to Prince Buster?
I don't know who's Prince Buster again.
I want you and my girlfriend to be friends.
Oh, that song! Yeah, man. I like that song, man. I like that song.
So you follow her name or it's just you?
Well, I don't think I'm following nobody, you know. It's just the way I am. You see, the more woman I see, is the more woman I want, and I can't help it.
Oh, and them have something.
My grandfather was like that too.
Okay.
Those things are family thing.
So they have a thing called want can't get it and
Get
it,
you,
no
want
want
it.
So, back to your wife. She called me the other day, you know, like, come about 3 times in a row. I said, why can't they call in so many times? And then, you know, like, then I realized, you know, she's very, very hurt that you're giving her bun and not no cheese.
Yeah, cause the last time she catch me with the maid, she dashed her the ring them, you know.
I don't blame her.
She dashed her the whole ring. So when I go to make it up back to her, I go fly, go down to Africa,
And I get
and
a
go
new
down
one.
one new ring, carve out, yeah, diamond and everything, and come surprise her, and maybe do something nice here. Because this last one now is really, she went on a church trip. I didn't want to go on the church trip. They were inviting me, then me just stay back. Then the maid come back after she gone home. She come back, say she leaves something there that is essential to her survival.
Okay.
And then, like a me now, she just jump on me, and then I don't know. She was supposed to come back like a couple days later and she pop up on me in the night. So me never know so she a come back. So me not do it intentionally to hurt her.
You just get caught.
Me get caught.
Yeah,
So she must try her best not to caught me. Not to search. Because when you search you will find. And if you don't search you won't
But
find.
look here, the other wife house in your house, both of your house.
Yeah.
And how is she gonna be searching when she went out and she's coming back home?
Yeah.
You must keep your thing in your pants where it belongs and respect your wife.
I try to keep it in the pants.
But try harder. You're not trying hard enough.
And she just a girl, me tell her say she's very temptationous. Very temptationous and you know say it's just a couple of days and she been calling me telling me she been feeling sick.
How much she pregnant?
Lord,
I
wonder.
I hope she not pregnant.
And hope say she pregnant. If she's pregnant, it hopes her mine. Because you know it's could be too early. If she has state say she's pregnant already.
The 90 how many percent of the children born in Jamaica are jacket?
It's a high ratio.
5%.
Yeah, maybe 95 or maybe 85.
Maybe 80 something.
Yeah.
And it's truth, you know, because you know they spoke about it. It's the truth.
It's the truth, but I guess the Prime Minister saying want people to ban up and things, so people not do it.
But the Prime Minister want people to have more children. You know, like the government need to do something about that.
Yeah,
you know, find them work, find the young people work. You know, find them, put out something for them to go to school, get a training, and then they don't have to be hanging out on the street with their pants down their bottom down here, so can go home to no decent parents, you know, like house. So they be out there doing the wrong thing and getting the women pregnant. And like you for a big man now.
That's something. So my thing now. Oh, I said I think. My youth them. If this girl pregnant, I know the one pregnant. Me have to sit down and talk to my wife. Because we have to do it like with the Africa. So I would like to marry all of them who is pregnant and have them under one roof.
Back up. No thank you, nothing so.
No, we are. But why are we dashing away our real roots?
Keep something in your pants, so you don't have to worry about that.
No, but if she get pregnant, it's not good for her to be pregnant without the backative around the youth. Remember say my wife have him big son already, you know.
So
big son. So if I get a youth outside, I don't want me youth outside, but I want him inside. So he could have come live with you. Girl could have come live with me while she pregnant. And I think she and Candy can work it out.
So back up. No wife and no girlfriend can be friends, shouldn't be friends.
But alright, I'm gonna ask you a question, Auntie. Can you look a bit older on me, you know?
Yeah.
That's a little tip. Alright. Oh, do they do it in Africa? Or do one man have 20 wives?
It is their tradition. And I don't
so who am I?
You know,
I am African
like
inside.
I am older than you, saying I you know, like know the code.
Yeah.
Right? That was then, this is now.
But I want to go back to Zen.
Don't go back, stay with your wife.
No, I don't. I love my wife. I go tell you that. I love my wife.
You always say that.
I always love her. And me doing what I do don't have nothing to do with the love I have for my wife. It's just that my key just cannot resist whenever I see a beautiful lock. It want to open it up.
It's all in your mind.
Because all of them feel different. All of them have a different texture.
All in your mind.
Somebody lock them small, some lock them big, some lock them fat, some lock them slim, I just lock them and we just have a key where we work with every lock.
Somebody need to take that key from you, man. Park the key.
No, don't
somebody
think that.
Take that
no,
key.
That won't be good.
If you need anything, you know you can rely upon me, don't. So if you know you're not working, I mean, know you're with a chat boy, you don't want to stress me out. You're not stress me out, he's my only son. So anything you want, just call me phone, the number don't change. Same digit.
Sometimes I like this, you know, things like
You are my only child, you could have 100-year-old, I'm still responsible to you. Whether you like it or not.
I don't feel like I'm going to control of my
But you know, like when you look stressed and like you hide something from me. So if you're in any little difficulties, just call me and talk to me. start out. And the people they don't give me that in it, so as soon as they get home, they get more work. Here? Alright, love you. Later. Now put yourself in no trouble now.
Oh, she a come there?
Yeah. They sure come.
She said, right, somebody a come.
Good night. Welcome. Nice seeing you.
Good to see you.
God bless you. We're having a conversation. My brother and I.
And she pull up a chair. Pull up a chair, man. Pull up a chair.
Pull it up.
Cause you is an original African princess. So you would understand.
Alright, let me hear the argument now.
Yes.
Okay. His wife called me, maybe about 3 times. And then she said to me that boy, something not right. And then when she called me the second time, and then she called me the third time, I realized this is something I get her born big time. And guess who? The maid.
Hi.
And she said, this is the second time, the second maid.
Yeah, the first maid, we have to fire her because she was getting so clingy and they look at things so it couldn't work out. So now we went to therapy, we go to all of them things that I get. Them say me have a sickness and I've been trying to suppress it, but somewhere along the line she get a next maid wear hat and love wear skimpy clothes in the house.
So why should I get ugly maid?
Woman for woman, right? What do you think we should do with men like this? We should like babbit it?
No!
No,
Babbit them.
because they will have law against that. Mommy,
Oh yeah.
you know what we do?
Mhm.
Anything they can do,
We can do better. No.
So how much maid?
2 years.
Say nothing goody wife and calm down.
I didn't love it.
I don't
I didn't love the wife so much.
I love my wife.
Love her, she love him.
I love my wife. I'm telling you that I love my wife.
She don't want
it
no
have
other man.
nothing to do with what I do. What I do now, I sharpen up the axe. You have to sharpen up the axe. Sharpen the axe so you chop clean. You see, if it go to one place all the while, it's gonna be dull. You have to sharp it up. So my time she wonders where you get energy from.
Where you get that the ego from? Tell me.
No problem.
But we have-
You know what we do? We do it better.
But-
And you see like how JPS do it, and every so often them come and replace the pole and put up a firmer pole and a better pole. So we just tell the wife to do the same.
But as a good woman, you don't want to go there. You don't want to do what the others are doing. You want to be queen. You
have to be a queen.
And you have to keep yourself.
You keep yourself
graceful.
True.
You don't want to mash up yourself.
And you can't lock the shop too much either, because you lock the shop, then go get it somewhere else.
Yes.
So you can't lock the shop.
My wife's shop never close.
That's
right?
the problem.
It never
That's
closed
the problem.
until in the first maid she closed it that for a while, and we go to therapy and the marriage was rocky and we get it back on smooth ground. But somewhere along the line, this new one will come drag me out, way out, me and tell you. But what me I said though, remember the tradition of African or one man have 3 wives.
That was then. This is now.
Even now, I think they do have it over there
But
now.
then Auntie Bev, they don't talk about the tradition where one queen have many men servants and many men, and that is okay.
But we don't hear about that.
No, but we should hear about it more often. We should example it more often.
No. But to each is his own. So if my wife want to have plenty man, we can get a divorce. And I will marry the maid.
And go back and take the one of your fire.
And then get the next one. We'll put the 2 of them in one house and let the 2 of them would be side chick, so 2 of them could promote to wife.
You remember our African, like our lovely ancestors and present Africans right now. They cook. They roll up, and they put it under the big bowl, and then put the gravy and everything.
Everybody take a dip out,
and everybody. What the guy said, everyone had to joke off by right?
Yeah.
That's how him stay. Him $1 and him want to joke off him. So him needs to put the plate with the 2 maids, and put all of the flour, the something in there. So and take up some put some grease in it, put some food in it and name it. The two of them and the wife, just sit down and look. And say, one day. You know what I'm saying?
If you bucket that well.
What's say easy come, easy go?
Easy come, easy go.
And every day taking bucket to the well.
One day the bottom go drop out. Yes.
When I was a little bit growing up, I used to carry the thing on my head, and this is the cutter. And we used to have one zinc pan full of water, and one bucket pan here, and one bucket pan there, because I was strong.
Yeah. And you balance one page, make it drop your wallet.
Exactly. So now, you need to balance out in
balance me, alright, that's what I'm trying to do. But none now go for my head. For me two hand them, so me I balance them.
You can't
So wait a minute
balance
now.
none.
A three.
Three.
You fire one. You have one.
One yes and one yes no.
And the wife there so.
No, the wife will catch somewhere around here so.
That's it. That's
she
it.
lap round here so.
That's it. You know, so much of this.
She lap round here so. Yes,
I did. You know?
Yeah, man. So. But I go surprise her though. I'm going to fly out and go deal with that for her and surprise her because she don't want to see me and now she not take no call from me. And
take it from two women. Carry her with you. You fly out, don't fly out alone.
I will try invite her. If she will come, I will bring
buy
her.
the ticket and tell her we're going here. Baby, honey. You know, you put on one nice, get on one nice with the sexy negligee, and then you go in and you put it down and a nice little bag. And you say, honey, I have something for you, And then she's gonna say, what, baby? And you just take it out. Go take a shower.
Forward.
Go take a shower. And you shower before her.
Yeah.
Because when she come out of the shower, and waste no time.
Yeah, you want to get into the vibe.
Yeah, so you just get out your sexy little negligee and some little sweet perfume.
Perfume, makes it nice.
And then tell her put this on. And you have to have on your sexy silk. What you call it? Brief. Not the brief. The
boxers.
Boxers.
Yeah.
Nice one, little nice sexy one. And you can have on one little ice green and gold
Marina. Like where you can see through when I mesh when I
yeah, and I can see your titty point right there.
Yeah,
you can look on it.
Auntie Beth, Lord Jesus, a conversation on me sweat. Why?
You can put it, like right there. And then you have your wife, and then do her.
Yeah.
You say, honey, this is for you.
And we go plane ticket, and then because that's one of the things that really work. Whenever my wife is upset and we do that, love making, all of the hunger release. Yes, and then that's a very, very smart idea, Come to think about it, I go do it right now. But it was nice meeting and getting advice. Auntie, I have to come link you. One idea that when you go up on the chart, you call me, come help you give you to all the things. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so we talk. Alright.
Yeah, man. Peace and love.
Bonnie, dog.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Why are you being so scared?
No, I'm just frightened because somebody, make up on the road, I'm going to give a lot of exercise first.
Oh, throw me in there so I sit up some things and I get some things. Move up some more space can out here. But wow, that look lovely, man.
Thanks.
Sweet, so. Why do you have the time? Go sign the paper and just come. Try soon to be wife with them.
Soon to be wife. Oh, yeah, married to her.
Yeah, never engaged to her soon. She keep up on the right track.
Oh, that's nice.
You want to see a few things there, but we're going to say it on the spot where she there, see?
You didn't say I can say it, no?
As me I tell you, you look beautiful,
Thanks.
sexy and nice.
I know.
All the way to work out.
Yeah, but to make up on the road, this man, when in a gym clothes, I could have in a clothes when I walk on the road with.
But still, I'm not lie.
Thanks.
So, how the place?
Well, it's alright, you know, it's nice, it's cozy, it's quiet at least. So yeah.
You call it to love you for night and the boogie of the music.
It's quiet when me and you alone there. And when I'm man there, pure nice and cussing and arguing.
So she needs her and go more and she want to sweet the stickers eat.
Oh, well, I need to start getting the sweetest stick now because the night time I can't sleep. Here, cussing in my ears. But alright, so that's alright.
What am I pay so cherry?
I'm there, yeah.
Sweet like cherry.
So, she's there.
No, so she gonna leave some business on the road.
Oh, so that's why I can't able to come back to me coming. No, she won.
So I have to go pick up 500,000, you know? So I have to go pick up 500,000.
500,000? So your money are fair money. You know, say short one come down a bit.
My money baby girl, we are talking about when I told her to pick up my Z.
You know, somebody mean to tell us that you're nice though. Yeah, it's very nice. I'm like your ball and I like your dress. So you don't want to give me a thing out of the 500,000.
At least I'm not going to forget. I'm not going to pick up. So I pick up my Z and keep it to yourself. So you're not worried about
And
this.
that's how we
Soon, man.
so you sure about that?
Yeah.
You look nice though, you're fine and something. Well, I think if you're married and settle down so quick.
I think about it, what? I wait my mind.
Maybe, yeah, man.
Yeah, let me see her right now. Georgia. To let you look.
Thank you. See you later.
I continue to move up between them like all the time.
Yeah, I'm going to help you.
I love to get the little LPS, but no.
Oi. I want to go next one.
When thing out here, so I do here, they make sure when something here, you don't link up in them because I want to pay money for them, as me. So my wife will come same time and something.
Nobody with it. I never that one out there so.
Babe, so listen to me. I tell her so when she do her little workout aerobics thing out here, to watch that stuff there.
Will you see you later, yeah?
Babes. But just still tell her, must know you make up nice and miserable and you know, and she's a new tenant. And I don't want to cause no problem in you. So I tell her.
Hello, let me say something to you now. So, toilet vessel, so close.
No, I was there and she was up here.
Come and know some two years enough for me.
Listen, baby, you should have come up here so before you thought that.
Come up here before we talk what?
I was.
Next thing. Riti, you hear that?
Well, that I know.
You hear that?
I don't mean she touched.
If somebody do me that, no, you right for cuss and go on the most.
I don't mean she touched on my shirt.
No business, the shirt they pay you. Yawa.
Babes, if she touch my skin, that different. She touched my shirt.
She touch your shirt.
If she did touch my skin, my backside out here so flat down on her feet. Babes, you don't know that, man.
So your shirt they pay you.
The
I wear
shirt-
them on rack.
The shirt, they on my skin. She can't touch my skin.
No business.
Babes.
Yes, me take notice of your flower.
Babes, this thing, the man start to get in and then here we are going, so now.
That one like you idiot.
No, babe, me tell him so we don't damage the stuff out here because you're going to make up nice.
I feel what damaging make me cause same way. I feel that.
Alright, now.
What that? She there so.
No, remember some if you use the thing, put up a nice like
Put up now.
nice ceiling part
You never put it up nowhere.
over like I said in them.
Which like I said,
The cupboard.
not there if you put it.
If you go over the top, babes, me tell you which I rat them I come through. And I then trouble in snacks.
We
And
already do that flower day. So moment you want to go for yourself. You don't flower when me ask you for do that.
babes, and
I'm me have to turn around it myself.
the right part you do. The rat there one next part where I come through when me just find out. So me have to come drive for this fast. And I see her out here so I work out. And I see that shit look up it and I have to say, listen to me. You're a tenant here. You can't be moving the stuff like that. And she understand and she said, okay, if you come make a misery over everything, we are talking about.
You make a misery over everything.
You some love and something like that.
Hey, don't come near me. Do not come near me.
Can I style this? You make it people in here with one so
They hear it every day because you're going like you're stupid. You're going like you don't have no sense.
Little cuss
Yeah,
me-
baboon.
Little cuss in the room. Stop cussing me, the girl here, me say like me a boy. My back say down now, people say I'm wicked.
Then that one like you're a boy and one like you're a man. I'm sure you know say a man will never do that way you just do a while ago.
Same time start going like man, you open up your mouth, you get a right hand across the right jaw.
No, try
You know what
me.
man do,
Try
yeah?
me.
You will know what man do.
Try me.
No, can't go and say that.
Go who? You know me when I go so. I'm gonna try no say now sleep with me tonight. I sleep on the bed and I sleep with she. Then sleep that she want you. Chop.
No, no, man. When I'm man, corrupt sometime in a youth. Don't man, go back to me always, you know. I continually, it's a joyful life. I see him when I make it normal and nice, even though it kind of hard and things like that. So much,
Wagwan.
Come on, Pierre, you blow so.
No man, I run. Look like two youth half of me, you know. It look like one look at situation, but I know if your mother call you know. She carry one look at maid in her house and some go on, you know, man a man and some entanglement go on. Now me have to run because I feel your mother send my hitman to me right now.
Michael, this
To
again.
mash me up.
This again, Michael. Yeah, mommy not got therapy for this something here. Already.
Yeah man. So me I tell you, say, me no, this is one I no plan now, you know. This is one I just happen out of the blues. Me don't know how it happen. Me don't know why it happen, but it just happen. Right now, me can't sleep in peace because me just in a dream. Me picture your mother run me down with something to knock me out.
Mommy.
Yes. Because she want me from that time they said don't do it again. No make it happen again. And when he carry this help you now, she tell me over and over say, do not do it again. So if you want a whole period of time today now. When she has say hi to me, zip me up, me not say nothing to her. In the last half now, she start wear something in the house when my wife not did it. I tell her the accidentally now. Me now look when me have and bump in her because she been over down so I'm bumping her and things start. From those so we just start from those and then she don't know where they are so. Right now,
Bumping her and things start.
yeah man, you know she did, she set it up. She set it up and get it up and wet it up and just say there now. So right now, we can't tear down your son. But if you can talk to your mother, tell her I'm sorry. I'm really sorry than the first time, you know. Just tell her to just calm down, give me a chance to explain myself. But for now, when she come in a place where she attack the girl, me run off. Me don't know if the girl is still alive or where she there or what. If I hear about the girl, ask her if she killed the helper. Ask her if she get rid of the helper. Ask her if the helper is still there. Because I left the two of them today now and tussle and I never want stand to see what go on. Michael exit the place. Now, I go up the line. But talk to her for me.
You're gonna make mommy cuss me again. You know?
Just talk to her, man. Because man is just a man, you know.
You're gonna make mommy cuss me again and mommy gonna always tell me say me a pick up fear, you know.
I know pick up, but you know, a man always do what a man do and get in trouble.
That he always tell me say show me a man me a pick up fear, you know.
Man,
Michael, me don't know what make you always do this, you know, Michael.
No, I know me admit. I just do we are the world. I just do we are the girls. Them I don't know what happened to them. Why they don't behave themselves? Why woman not behave themselves?
Some of the women they are judging me right now, you know. But the situation when we put it tenant in here saying the new tenant, you know.
Yeah.
One piece of argument not too long, man.
Do not get in the same trap like I.
I try my
Because
best.
when a woman fed up, there's nothing you can do about it. It's like running out of luck. Anyway, I'm not tarry because I tell you something, I don't know if I use them ton, I don't know if they have knife, machete or gun.
Which boy them there?
I don't know more than one. I don't know who, and I don't want to find out. I just want to move out here a while and see what I go on. I don't know, ask them what they said. Because between me and you, the pastor wife, I'm in a local dealings, the deacon, they are my son. So I can tell you them things that you're a man, when I get bigger you will understand too. The deacon woman, I mean, things too, and the deacon run a gang. So I don't know where part the church I come from. Yeah, no. But for now, I'm on the run. You up? I go up the line, me have a talk.
So you're going, Michael?
I say, all my phone run left.
You walk about the whole place,
I say
man.
all my phone me run left out of the hotel room. Only my bill phone me grab in my pocket and so I have to change for me so me I go book a villa and for my card and chill out for a while. Just tell the mother say I'm sorry. Alright?
Doing right.
And if a she send man for me, call the man them off. Because I'm sorry. Alright?
That's a code. I feel say mommy will do that still. But I can find out because she
Alright.
50%, sometimes she crazy now.
Yeah, I know what's she man. Alright.
What they going further? What is?
Look what you made me do.
What for call mommy to go?
I need somebody. Oh, baby,
What is it they
baby.
going further, God? What's up? Hello. What's up? Mommy, what kind of style am I going? You mean say what? Me not just see Michael run come down and we had breathless. Yeah. So you saying man have him two man run him down, you don't know if they have gun or you don't know if they have knife. Mommy, what is it take place? You really saying man have Michael? Mommy, you mean say me come at you with this again? Me not tell us if we stop them a little excitement style in a good people in the village we chat to know. You all run with no shirts and left all in your phone, mommy. You do that again. Alright, a normal pre. Me go. Alright. Me come link. Me come here foot. Yeah, me come here foot. Come here plan for you. Carry babes. Place that watch it to you know. Yeah. Engagement thing I made you talk about. Yeah, me I wonder if put her in another position like. Hello.
My soul coming going on the road.
No, not you, mommy. Alright. Yeah, man. So, when I pass, there's a link up before I reach out watching. Alright. Mommy, I consider about it too, because she keep on get miserable for me every minute, and sometimes I can't bother with them style, you know. I mean, I want to get dark and go back to my old time and use them. You see me? So people are saying, I'm wicked as yeah, I'm wicked as a son, I'm going to put me on home and ask me. I try my best. Yeah. I ring already, but I don't want you know. Yeah? 250,000 feet. No discount, I'm asking on discount a month. Alright. Alright, link.
Hello. A while ago, my big chicken sitting at home, like a rub share on the door. Next thing, she got the road. So what you gonna do? Go up next?
Wait, I'm going to just call and I talk to her about it.
You never on the phone, yes. But at first, you know, this rub you down.
Babes, she asked me for direction out to the shop. And I tell her, right down the website.
Oh, so direction I rub down.
No, she touched me coming up on the phone and asked her where's the direction. And as I touch her, she don't touch me, she touch my shirt. Shirt. That's why I wear a shirt with sleeve, babes. Babes, nobody under the shirt. Baby girl, take your time. Don't move like that. You stand up in there weird, babes. If this is here, you should have come out of the week because the next one no pool and maybe I tell her to take time see him.
You know me see with you? Except for when she come in here and pick up here.
Look at babes, don't move. Don't move. Look here.
You don't need to show me nothing.
You never look out there, you see
Me don't need to show me nothing.
So you don't come out there with make she big. Look how she big.
Because she could have said, excuse.
She look like a tree coming and one. You have to gear away. You have to say excuse that you see her come.
Hey, don't miss it.
Watch it. Why don't I spend the money on you? Go here, go on.
Not because you spend your money, you feel sick. You can do whatever you feel like to do.
What you talking about? Stop judging me, stop accusing me.
You see, if I was mood to judge you or accuse you of nothing, if me not see me want to hear, when you try to say I'm blind, me need to go here like that.
Stop put the blame on me.
See, where you look put blame on me when time next time need day when time you tell about it, no, you don't want to listen. But yet you want to know when time you complain about you want to have problem.
Why you gotta be so rude?
Oh, no bother with it. No bother with it.
Don't you know I'm human too? Relax a bit.
Sorry. Guys, you're annoying. You get to my head now. You burn my ears.
Yeah, do you me like me an acorn? You put all the blame on me. Stop do that and stop judge me.
If you were an acorn, I would have dashed you a long time. Look at you like lion. Anyway.
It's on them nose. Oh, I'm gonna put it on.
Relax now.
I think I go on. It's festive though. How would you say call me? From private number. Hello?
Yeah, man, I mean, Michael, I know say you don't know the number, babe.
Michael, what you want?
You, of course.
Me you want?
Yeah, I did tell her from the beginning, you know.
Listen to me. When your woman, when you run out of house left me, you know, and your woman deal with me up there, so why you did there? You never there, you know, I can come man, you start like a man, you run out left me.
You see,
Now I lose my work, I get put out. I start over. What
no,
you
what?
want?
Stop it nice. Don't worry yourself, man. Me feel like you deserve a little vacation then, man.
Vacation?
Yeah, man, you need a little time away from up your day. We can sit down and talk and think. Sorry about that, you know? So
I know
here
you
we-
talk. What we go for vacation?
Alright, so what send one drive for you?
Where we go? Me not come.
Villa,
Me
we
not just say,
are got Ochi. Ochi we are go. I send a vehicle for you. With a Ochi, we chill up on the beach. Have some of them drinks there, sex on the beach. All of them drinks there with them like Jamaica iced tea. Where anyone I sitting them,
What we go?
Ochi.
Alright. When you
Like
send
a
the drive
tourist.
come?
Me I send the drive come for you today.
Alright, me go pack up my warm things there. We're going to watch you.
Yeah, cause we have to talk. This for my wife. Look
And
like
make sure say woman and when I'm about to come
No.
and say no more lick for no more.
I want hideout spot where you go.
Alright.
Not tell not to your mother where you go. Not tell
Later,
nobody.
later.
Alright, babe? Michael, love you.
Alright. Ochi. Watch me and then I got Ochi will propose. Me I got Ochi po. Oh, I'm going to go for my bag. What was so case there? Oh, I got Ochi. When I got Ochi, oh my God. After me I got it one day. And all of we I got Ochi. I tell you man, the son and the child is still in control. Well, we got Ochi.
And before I know it, I want them all. And girl, if you look good, remember that I want you. I want you anywhere, you'll have me. I don't care if you're using me or you love me. I just want it when I want it. You set it, and I will plant it. I'm a polygamist. I'm a polygamist. Yeah. And I'm proud of it.
I'm going to like a girl.
When you shall find out sooner or
I'm
later.
going to do that cool. Man.
You shall find out sooner or later.
Cool people love rum. So we grow food. Family teacher said, don't do it no rum head. Understand? So make sure when you go feel like you know with her, you grow with all the names. Yeah, like,
When hell you go to come to me? Eh?
you see, we can't really for you. We can't make it so
Like the public.
rough.
So what
in here. And I ship you back to the grill. Where you going, Billy?
Man, this how we do. Have to go get some clothes though. I think I have some clothes about Melissa, you know. About Melissa now, she could have know I'm left back. Who know that I don't know. So I'm going to lift that shirt out there. Yes, Georgia. Yes. Yeah, the phone up on silent, man. That's why nobody hear it ring. You know? No, you know, I'm not down that side there, you know. With the up line. Yeah, man. Some little things are going on. But when I touch back west side, me tell them what go on differently, you know? So, Bridget, I be tell a line up a little cat around the corner for I and I. What go on with that? Ah? Hey, that she said. Alright. Hmm. Oh, wait, me out. Somebody I call. This one can hang up, you know. Hang up. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, what's up? If somebody want bet, what them a try to bet? Mm-hmm. Just tricky one, just tricky one, just tricky one. And today it a go down. Alright, me go wire 2 million to put on the bet there. Alright, alright. Yeah, you're back to you now, what go on? Yeah, so tell her no worry about that, man. Tell her no worry about that. Lisa, oh, with she now, everything good with she, man. But you know, I think I go on, you know, I think the weekend have man a watch Lisa, you know. Yeah, man, come carry up on the ends, man. I mean, tell you, say the transition how we move it there, never normal. And something still look a certain way. Alright, well, that still. But when we reach on to we talk, I don't say a word. Yeah, man. Aika, What's up, babe? Yeah, you know, see me up in a watch right now. Yeah, man, I know you're up on my mind still. I mean, I say, what you do? Yeah, me just reach up here. You know what I mean? You're the first person I call. Just reach. You can get the breeze coming the right from the cliffside. I come to give you what you need. Exactly what you need. Yes. Well, tell them say I take lunch or something. You know what I mean? 1 hour now go. 1 hour to 2 hours. Now go too bad. Yeah, me booking a one fella. So I will come and pick you up. Just tell me where you're at and I will come and get you. Yeah, man. I pick you up down by the clock. Alright. No worry about that, man. How about you need? Alright? Now come here right now.
The Monday, I'm calling Keisha. Tuesday, I'm checking Lisa. Wednesday night is Shanice. Thursday, I'm begging for peace. Friday, I'm out with Tasha. Saturday, maybe Sasha. Sunday, I'm down on my knees, asking the Lord to forgive me, please. But when the church service is done and I step back out in the sun, another beautiful woman passes by, and there goes my promise one more time. Every time I promise I'm going to settle down.
I don't, you know something? I don't like it.
Don't like what?
Every time that we have sex, you run to the bathroom and bathe.
So we're on with that.
You know, say we do one second round and third round and fourth rounds, then we think about that later.
Do you know me can't do that? Me have to be it after.
So we get catching up. I saw we get catching last time. Because we dust something, you go in the bathroom and bathe, and then we get tempted now and come in the bathroom and Candy come forward and come catch you in the bathroom. So if you never go in the bathroom, we would have you at the back in your uniform at your work, and then would have there somewhere run the computer or something, and when she come would have there. You understand? A while ago it tempt me, you know. If you come in the come give something in the bathroom more, you know. But we have things to do today. So we say, what's up, love?
To be honest, I have enough things for my mind. I can just reach. You know, the jet ski place up there, so I feel like I'm gonna go funny. You know, like no nice restaurant or something.
So you were going on now. A while ago I get a call. So I feel me come move.
Are you just reach?
That mean I tell you, for my business I just that's how it stay. You know what I mean? But by next week or so I'll be back. So but what you give me a while ago, but hold me till next week, cause a bag of things are gone. Them wife in some altercation.
Then suppose we can wait till next week.
Then you call me and I will deliver.
So we can call it as a left.
No, as me left, because I've got to deal with something and then mother circle back and thing.
Alright. Go work with yourself now.
Ah boy, I don't know. You're just tempting, you know.
I know.
A trouble, that get me in a trouble. You know, so me have to go therapy. When I go therapy, I may just come check the same way after therapy, but make my woman feel
But
good.
like, you know, I need more time with you. Like, your woman have all that time with you. Why only today alone me have with you?
I know little that one you have with me. I'm gonna make some time for you. So, cause when me I try for the, I'm trying to see if I get a property somewhere up here. So me have a business reason to be up here. So my wife won't have to wonder, but me then because say, I'm going on the side to do this and this and I'm gonna do that. And you understand? So that me I talk to her, so I go deal it. So I them think I know. So that's why I think I make a move, go back on the west side now, and then we'll come up by next week.
Okay.
So next week now we take a time off and we spend a week together. You know what I mean? You have me straight through for that week there. And she me dash out the phone for that week there. Now up on the phone. Every time up on the phone, some business, something come up.
1 week kind of too small still, but we can work with it.
Remember saying us 1 week, you know, you gotta be more time more than that. You know what I mean? But 1 full week what I working on, I think you're gonna need a next week for rest after that week. Because I'm planning to stop and get 2 of them drinks there. Where they make on the roadside with the bag of blend up and something.
Then you think you can manage that if you drink it?
Yes, if I drink it, yeah, it's gonna be dangerous. Are you for one day if you can manage it?
I can manage anything.
Well, we go see.
Alright.
Because I go ensure say I drink off. If you know you have 5 of them there. You just say you can't manage anything.
Okay.
So that will be, I have to go some push out now. I have to go wash a shower now. So, you mind joining me in the shower?
Okay. Even though I just don't get out to it.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey girl. I'm not hearing nothing back from y'all now.
Oh, my dear, no.
Also, I was going to work with me till I go.
The work I go on good, you alright?
Hey, so I going with Candy.
Candy, she alright. She's a tough nut to crack, but she's okay.
Not sound like everything alright. Is sure everything good?
No, man, everything alright, man. I'm too tired. I'm work from morning.
So, Michael, no, what about him?
You know, so I'm not really not talking with him still.
Why?
Because when I go and say a woman pays me, and then if you talk up to her man, if you understand.
Just remember me tell you, me and your friend do not get involved with Michael.
Girl, when I get involved with Michael, I'm let the woman pays to work and I'm there if you take her man. Which one?
Me just tell you, you know, me just tell you can't say, me never want you. Alright?
Anyways, me have some things I do with, so I'm supposed to talk to you.
Alright, later.
I started to then can't for one see. Because right now, I feel like more I'm going nowhere, but yeah, nothing.
So you can't tell him say I come tomorrow?
At that I tried to tell them a while ago and them I said no, it's urgent.
Alright.
So, I have to go move. You know something I like leave it though.
Yes, sir.
Trouble. You have trouble, you know?
I know.
Alright, come forever. I'm sure it's in their reach.
Okay.
Ah, boy. One thing I love with you, see as we call you, you come. Just come on.
As I say next week, so.
Next week. Like I say, the thing, plans we have after a while, they don't have to work again, you understand? They don't have to work again, so. We just get everything together, right? That's it, we have to go. What you don't have to deal with. Yes, so we say if everything done quick, you come up before the time. You're more than enough, but you can't really get so.
Bye.
I wonder if you really thinking you're them for idiot. Doesn't matter about them.
See, look, beautiful and innocent.
Ano yung majestic na sa kong gano'n?
I'm like a sister that man. From me, you know. Because I think her, so she can use the resort and the complex that it's doing. Understand?
So,
See, just give me a different energy when I pass it to her. We have to turn back and tell her to go to the room.
it's an Africa too. Ano yung sister?
Yeah, this is the resting in sea room. It's
Okay.
same room but 2 bed.
Yeah, yeah. So, what make I ever?
Like people mixing and like mixing, you know. I'm not cool or anything.
Something like that. You have a man, and I'm a wife, and you have a mom.
Come on. You know I can also. It's like they mix. Look at that right here.
That's a very man. No, not too far, no, sorry. Not too far. Maybe, we can go to.
So which room is the
Oh, yeah. Oh, I want us.
I'm a family, I'm a cousin with a second for realize when I pass the club, as I say. I'm a cousin of
So,
my
you jump for like that from?
Look, you're frightening me. When you use the roof price there.
I know you say sister. Sister?
No, you can't say.
Cousin.
You know, why you say that?
Since we meet on your sister.
Something like that.
I tell you about man. Have his mercy. You come and you see me again from the talk to you about it.
What about?
When I deal with phone, I'm going to gone later.
I say it's there.
Wait, what? Me never tell you to come look me. Now you have your woman go on. Bye-bye. Things don't come on vacation. So we can free my mind from the situation we had on my yard.
Babes, you know, so big and serious, you don't trust me. You know, so you don't trust me like you don't believe in me. I'll do all of this for we. You see what me want come back pick up someone me tell us make a pick up. And this a girl that tap me and I look me and tell me about she a black cool and she a white lip and all of that. And me I can tell about cousin Toby you know why you get upset. And I lie, me tell her what you can go so.
We still have an upset same way. Why lie? Instead tell the truth.
Lie different from talk but don't go like that. I understand? So listen to me. Make your way back up to the room and go feel something and come back.
Me and Yago.
Come like, listen to me. This is not a resort. This is not a guest house. This is a complex. So we come to a complex, talk like a tourist. Like, B, what are you doing?
Come on.
Say them to me, we can't kill somewhere higher than this next time. Listen to me, I need to go proper English.
One more time, I chat to one.
No, nothing like that. Remember, I gotta talk to strangers because I don't know the place. Let's go. You in it? Some more to talk.
It's a madman, yeah.
Let's go, sweetie. Let's go. I don't worry, the show up. No property. Yeah, come back to take on that. Baby, this is it. Come inside. Look at this. It's got cupboard. Plates there. Yes. Plates is. We got AC. We got everything is here. Get yourself comfortable. Get yourself comfortable, baby. I'm gonna use the bathroom.
We just reached. Thank you. And the yard with it.
No, we did a good movie.
It's a movie story, sure. Anyways, what we do?
Oh, the rooms are around here. This is it.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, Miss Flower, do you know?
How are you? The same thing where the boy say I'm sister or something like that.
My name sister.
Don't meet them. I just someone stay. You can't really meet them nowadays.
I like stills. But anyways, what?
You know, say, me no know, me just say that walk out. Feel like me just get some feet or something.
No, but you know.
They have kind of miss my man stills, but I just life soon come back, you know?
Your man?
Yeah, my man, he come from Negro side.
How name?
Michael.
When Michael me know still the river Negro, you know.
No like how
And
that
our Rasta one.
one Rasta one.
Yeah.
Tell me what complexion?
In that, you know.
But like,
Yeah.
I like you tell like you my Michael.
Oh, I'm a boyfriend, my husband. When I step
Well,
fire.
I think I said somebody we are talking, you know, but maybe not. If we can show one picture and see.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Same one.
For real?
Yeah.
Same every time I say it over then I said family.
Man,
I lie.
poor thing. But anyways, let's see how come.
Oh, there's something that going on. I say I'm gonna get something to eat or something. I don't know.
Surely no come know if my boyfriend gone still.
Oh, so you want to come with me or want to go that side?
But I go so, but me go so, but me exchange number with you first.
Alright, hold on. You not put in a name? Alright. May I call you later, yeah?
But I'll go up this one.
Alright, bye-bye.
Come on.
Me think I saw you go.
Ay.
I want you anyway, you'll have me. And I don't care if you're using me or you love me. I just want it when I want it. You said it, and I will plant it. I'm a polygamist. I'm a polygamist. Yeah. And I'm proud of it. One woman tells me I must choose, but choosing means somebody has to lose. How can I give all this love to one when sharing the love is twice the fun? They tell me, boy, I'm playing with fire, but every new flame takes me higher. But maybe one day I'll finally change. But for now I'm staying the same. I love the tall ones. You want them all. I love the short ones. You want the slim and the thick ones. You want the quiet and the wild ones. He wants them all. I know this lifestyle brings pure stress. Too many numbers and too much mess. Names get mixed up, stories go wrong, but still I sing my confessions.
I'm tired. But anyways, tell me more about yourself. Like we have new friend.
Not much of this tools, you know. I'm just saying now. My name and me care probably know that already.
Yeah.
But I'll skip that because them things really make no sense right now. You know, since as we're friends, we can't tell us something, right? Yeah. You remember one little thing when they go on a candy yard with Michael letter? Yeah, so you hear about the last meal with them they have and the whole situation, but they made it sleep with the husband on back or something. Well, basically, I did kind of me, but you know, nobody no really know because they no really put out them business like that because me close like that now. I feel like say me can't tell you, you know. I hope me can trust you still, but you know, I just feel like me can't trust you, so me tell you. But because they no really put out them business and something, you know, really out there like that. But I know enough things to process, but we're not talking about it right now. What about you?
There's really not much about me as I can know. What I know is I can use my mother-in-law already.
For sure.
Michael is just my boyfriend, stepfather. Yes, my boyfriend is top link. And the more time I can agree still. But you know that Bad is a nice person, but like I feel like his stepfather kind of rub off my mood.
What do you mean by that?
You know that alright, we went out one place, which is we actually home, but we have a second room now. We just say we need to make more money. Somebody suggested so we rent out it. Rent out to a tenant within job one. It's a man. But like in get jealous and I want him more sweet and I complain. Job one of him run the house. In vex all these things. Because if you come play car park with me and show in damn at in the room. So job one come out and see me. I play car park and he will come for like play car park with me to keep me company, right? He come out and look in shirt take off.
What a shirt take off?
Tap in shirt take off. Like it makes sense to take off a shirt, you could just come play car park with me. So all of that in you know job one, give a job one money and all these things, then find one next tenant. And the tenant will find is a woman. And then she just all up for him. And when time we talk about it, you don't hear about me love cost too much, me too miserable. I just not yeah.
So you can kick her out? No fear place though?
My face, yes. But if I talk about how I him buy everything and him this and him that.
Well, me personally, me never take that skills, you know. Me run her out, but it's up to you still, you know. A man want give but I can't tap him, but yeah, up to you.
Not true. But if he's the tenant there, and she just kept coming, she just give me a weird vibes.
Feel like you if you pick a person we want to go in there.
And let me do it first.
Me personally, me not gonna trust no girl with him can't come in there to be tenant. I just want me think still, you know, but up to you.
But when I tell you the truth, you know, tenant who I have there, she big, you know.
As in fat?
Can't say that, yeah. But if I come here and I give them, if anything could have me, you just want to beat her.
2 away?
Yeah.
2 stick. No, me not say me would help you still, you know, but me not ready for push out. Because fat girl and mother girl can't war.
Not 2 away.
Unless we have a weapon then no problem, but by myself and you, sorry.
We never have a weapon just but
alright. When the time come, if she don't want to come out, then we beat her and make she come out, yeah? Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, just give me up, I just don't like her.
Alright.
Yes, we find it. I don't even know which party you got from, man. You got from wake up, you just left the house.
You know, say as soon time for me come out though, we have some things to deal with on the road and something. We give like about 5 minutes and then we left.
Let's see, I watch your TV. You put TV every time.
Girl, turn on the TV now.
Do you have food?
Baby! What's up?
Oh, where you come from?
It's been on plan for me, dad.
Like a time for me let you know, I'm going here.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
Bye-bye. You walk the run here, sir?
Yeah, go on.
Let's get on plan for me, dad camp. I make a one link, you know, I could come now. over there, we're gonna need stuffs.
So you could wait me.
No, let me wake you up over here, get you comfortable sleep.
You know, say, yes, when I go somewhere, you're supposed to wait me and tell me. But I'm supposed to wake up and I look for you.
Please don't worry about that one.
Watch out.
That one from my auntie. You miss me? What? Oh, she's over here.
She's my friend.
She said what?
My friend.
Since when?
Since today.
Listen to me. So, told a friend now. I told a friend now.
Oh, friend, weird. Take that smile off of your face.
One friend of my friend.
See if you are ratatouille.
What you bright? Oh, you tell Ratatouille?
So who's in front of me? Anyways.
Oh, you're talking listening from me.
Shut them out. What is that palm blast? You close. You say close or you ugly? Anyways.
I mean, talk to somebody? No, I mean, I talk to some. You feel the fresh breeze. You're getting cockatoo. Might go around and give you the cocktail.
You get too freely.
Freely.
But yeah, inch ya take a mile.
Where you get inch? Wipe your chat. Where you get inch? Don't even make them chat around me, babes.
Anyways, we have something to say to you. Can I have a mystery for the argument I'm supposed to say to you?
Could I have that now? Talk to me.
Turn around. Get up, man. And turn around.
Yeah.
No. Anyways.
Want you?
I have something to tell you.
Let me get comfortable here. Yeah.
And no, you don't need to get comfortable.
Hold on.
But the point is, and I really my store.
Listen.
Stop it. Get up.
Don't tell me when I was not lying. Don't listen.
Yes. And I really my story for telling you.
I could never.
So, she's kind of your relative for true.
She's a relative. And a girl and a cousin, babes. Me like girl and a cousin.
Me say kind of relative. Me never say cousin. Me never say nothing else.
Me no want no relative friend on Black Coolie, babes. Me a real original.
Tell whosoever
Proud
that.
here.
Tell whosoever that we are. Look at me here, no? Tell whosoever that way they will are.
Oh, that's right. Oh.
Never call of all.
You want man over here?
Somebody who is your relative.
Sickening. None of my family don't want that. Brighty. My family don't want a girl.
Well, they shall find out sooner or
My
later.
family don't do with Black Coolie. I'm mad.
You shall find out sooner or later.
My grandmother said, Coolie people love rum. And from where I grew up, for family teacher said, don't do it no rum head. Understand? So make sure when she come up here and I drink no rum with her and drink rum with only me. Yeah, that don't like.
Why hell you can't call it before with the freaking pillar? Eh?
You see, me can't even ramp with you. Look here, like me so rough.
Like you're talking.
Don't touch me.
What's the fire guy alone here? It's a crash it's spin here. I gotta ship you back to the grill.
Oh, you got Pitney. You think Pitney can book all of this for you? Never. Me, don't do that. Mine hurt me. Czechoslovakia jacket.
Cheap like.
Right! This is cheap.
Here one expensive was like I may do it myself, so I'm gonna need to gas a lot of
Baby,
money.
you see all this? Could buy all that. Me, I know that too. Cause me, I sitting in the sea price. It's me, yeah, but that's expensive. So we do it. See? Want to kiss?
Where you come from?
Huh?
Where you come from?
I'm thinking about nothing boys.
You just try to know say you sleep on the couch tonight.
Alright.
You hear what I say?
Nadu.
You're sleeping on the couch tonight.
Nice.
Okay, then sleep at that door.
Later. Some light and thing. Treat me. Make sure you not text naman pa na phone, you know?
Nah, blasting nothing to do.
I'll be back.
It's a handicap looking coffin boy. Papa color looking something.
Babes. Let's go. We're going on the road.
Where are we gonna walk?
You just always want to sit in a city, eat tiger. Let's do it, baby girl. Tiger's not doing it. Stout. Dragon. Let's go. We're going on the road.
Me always a city and eat tiger.
Listen, baby girl.
And you always get up a man in time and gonna boy your business.
Listen, baby girl. Got a beautiful future for you, okay? What you don't know is older than you. So get the hell up. Let's go.
So you can ask me for me not get up.
Oh, my sweet little chubby melon berry. Let's go. We're going on the road.
I don't know anything about that's better.
I'm gonna call it Tiger Woods.
Don't go in front of me for me see the back in here.
Let's go, Tiger Woods.
So I come like you want to grieve me.
On JAMMIWOOD TV. On a beautiful beach. You just want to sit inside, baby girl. What's wrong?
And that's nice, man.
You look more beautiful out here saying so. When like that pitch my house, it just look warm. No, baby girl, don't do that.
We're not go
Don't even go there. Because this is gonna be the best moment right now. You see the view? When you're in the house, you can't see that view.
How I go on so now?
Burn it down to the ground.
In-law.
Mom.
Blessed man.
What you do so bad, bro?
What do you hear? When I tell her, say, I run. Right? I run up to some left and went.
No, sir.
I don't. It's man.
A coincidence, this man.
So when I do, I guess so. Oh. You know, get, you know.
And one thing go, man.
Yeah, man.
Get Empress go.
The kids who are gone.
See like a view. Take her out of the little country place, you know.
Well, you can't go more than so. From one beach.
I mean, you can hold yourself up there, please.
Anyway.
Wait.
So what is it? No, me I gotta do something and come back. So come back when I go and attack here.
Yeah, but me and tell us here right now. Cool out of us for a while, man. I'm there myself. You understand?
Yes, sir.
When you talk to your mother, what you say? Nobody now look for me. What you say?
Boy, never really understand what she's saying because the whole heap of breeze in her phone. She tell me so she go hit me up back.
Jesus have his mercy. Girl.
Yeah, girl.
I said I have something to tell you.
How about that?
Remember when time Michael tell you say India nigger?
Eh.
You know there no nigger in the here.
We are called here.
What with it?
You know, Ochi.
Okay.
So you mean if you tell me saying they're not Ochi right now?
Yes.
Where? Which part's not Ochi?
You see I'm building over the pan.
Alayatel. Alright.
Alright, me I can go back at the Imani son chatting.
Alright, later, me go come over soon.
Alright, later, me I can go back up so.
Ah.
Be nice if I go on up a man.
And that one take her with me. No one should know.
But you could have afraid of the water, not if you can't swim. We have to check her out though.
So bunny down. Between me and you. Must say I engage thing me I deal with that now.
Oh. I I remember when I did, you know, I did put the ring in our ice cream. And your mom bite the ice cream and almost follow the ring.
Put the ring in the ice cream, bunny
Yes, so
down.
no bother try to style it. No put in ice cream me that.
No, sir.
You go to swallow it.
But
Burn it down.
I hope she say yes. If you say she ever say yes.
She gonna say yes, man. She gonna say yes. Because after every little thing, what she say, because she see her and she has to put her through enough and she nah let go.
No, but bunny down, I tell you the truth, you know. If she don't say yes, you know, me and family is supposed to know blood safe.
She gonna say yes,
A
man.
flat, me a backside down, you know. You know how much money for your ring?
She gonna say yes.
250,000. Show you what I got before she comes.
A real diamond, man. It's bigger than what you buy for your mommy.
You bright key money there, you go like me, I go buy no fake thing, give me.
Yeah,
I'm a real empress.
it's a word. So anyway,
She'll come back.
do your thing, man.
Right now in a few
Yeah,
seconds.
do your thing, man. So, let me know what I go and do, alright?
Not already?
No, we have a room over there, my room. So my room there, I go and chill out for a minute, yeah?
Oh,
Yeah, man.
alright.
But you're going to see me around here, man. Come there. So
Alright.
maybe when I dining time, I want to have a dinner or whatever, I want to see me down there. Alright? Alright.
But I burn down in place now, cuz.
You know I go. Be able to be yourself.
Don't say this has bad.
Let's go.
Who takes to get my chips?
Huh?
But give you what why you eat it?
I say you hold things. You hold some in your hand, you hold some inside. Let's go. Let's go, baby, before the dark come down. I want to do this in the
If
light.
you have a blasting ego. Yeah, well, it have me chop.
Stop being so miserable now, baby. This is a beautiful time coming for you. Let's go, baby.
I want to do this.
Hmm? Oh, somebody in a kayak, baby. They call it kayak, okay?
Oh, wow. So pretty.
Careful, careful, baby. Careful, okay?
What is that coming on, Jeffrey?
Look at there. It's beautiful out there, right?
Mm-hmm. So, catch up.
Will you marry me?
So, you can have a vacation for this?
For life.
Yes.
God. You know how long I want this moment, baby?
This is where. This is what I expect.
You know how much that, babes?
How much?
5.6 million. Spend me piece of my cash out of my savings account, but I still have a checking account
So,
life
spend that a lot for this ring.
for my beautiful queen.
Oh, really?
My name, baby. Let's go. Let's go. This is the moment I want to take in so long. Understand? How do you feel?
Nice. Never able to.
It's okay. Let's go. We have a lots of work to do after this wedding to make all that cash.
I can't bother. Call a girl, yeah. Hello?
Yeah.
Me say, girl.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what me there right now?
Where?
Guess now?
Your yard?
My girl, I'm gonna tell you if you guess if me that me yard. Me there the man yard right now.
Where you not say?
Yeah. Be and everything well ready for you reach in.
Whoa.
Right now, me just so wait. Can't wait for you reach, I swear. If I name it right now in my favorite shirt, I'm gonna buy one at a time them.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Just a wait upon him to come in right now. hope it not take too long, because I don't feel like I'm going to sleep right now.
This a sound festive. You have to give me details them later.
Me dear. Yeah. Call and give you every single detail. I know I have to tell you everything already, right?
Yeah.
As my new bestie. Anyways, just that, but I call if you tell you still when him reach. I might text you till you see him reach and something when he gone. Call and tell you what's going on here.
Okay.
Alright. Later, baby.
Alright, later.
Alright. Get well cozy till him reach.
So it takes so long to come for me.
Why? When the panel property I walk around and last second time, I'm just look for some spot. You know, to chill out later look for some spot.
Say your last shot for come for me. I know some I know what you for them they take me away.
They can't take you away. They not
I don't like what you know. You don't think, bro.
They don't take you away. It's a place I would. You don't watch it.
The place nice too. Can I get comfortable? I made some new friends.
So you know, say that's why you go do. You know, that's why you go.
Hey, babe. Excuse me?
Excuse me.
I want to go and write this up.
Go here, write this
Oh,
up.
you want to write this up?
No, me not understand. Come, let me do. I want to go and write this up.
Come right, yes, sir. Come, make him come right, yes, sir.
All
So
right.
you serious?
Come here, sir.
With me friend?
Calm down. Didn't you remember that me and I went there first?
Uncle no say Yana did it first.
So you never tell me say you didn't know.
Girl, Uncle no but you tell me say Yana me no.
You never tell me say you got my girl.
No, me not understand this. This not really a add up.
Right.
You tell me say, hey, so me mouth, you know. You tell me say me not fit there with him because the thing say I tell me say no with him because I am white.
So you confuse me tell you that and you gone there with him.
So well you now look up for yourself, you look up for me, you look up for yourself.
Exactly, you confuse that's why you should have there with him.
No, you for look up for yourself. No, me not understand this, you know, because some of me know. One right yourself.
Calm down. Well, calm down.
No, me not calm down.
The place here is not like nice.
And you should have known that before
They
you
not like nice.
But
They not like nice.
I'm in Negril.
I mean, tell me call your wife.
Wait, no.
Call which wife? Hello. Put on this phone because she beat me already. She not come beat me again. Call which wife? I can take a girl, man, I call her.
Then me get fired. You gone there with him and you did it. I work said yeah.
Me not get me get fired. No, fire.
Calm down.
I mean,
Let's be civilized, right? Let me talk to her. Can I give me talk to her?
Me not move. Me not coming out.
you see
You should know that before me come out watch
Can
you.
I come talk? Come.
You're not gonna wear
talk.
I guess no, we can't have this one.
We are talk right at song.
Alright.
Alright, sit down on the bed, me tell you.
If we go,
Alright, no, wait, sit down, son.
what I'm
Sit
saying.
down,
though,
son. Baby, sit down now.
Calm down, man.
Watch out.
Calm
Yeah, baby.
down, baby.
Okay.
I told you next week.
Calm down.
You met a baby. Calm down.
No, hello.
Oh, listen up.
Hello.
Alright. What I'm saying now, phone. One of our friends, West Bang, alright. One of our friends,
Used to be friend.
One used to be friend. One of our friend again.
I'm to be from that girl that take my man. Well, on the who I take me because I know me confused enough. Only for our pants. Ha!
Listen. Do you know what it means of polygamy?
What that mean?
Polygamy is when we're in Africa. That's how it's where we can have more
More than one partner.
Yeah.
You too hot. Who's calling you? No. Say you don't mean say you there my friend.
No.
You there with him?
I have money. Wanna calm down? I'm planning to give him the money.
So wait, then we have to try.
No, we're not bright. I'm not bright.
Calm down. We get your money.
Money is there for us.
Alright, watch it now.
Spend.
How much money?
Millions.
How much millions?
Listen up. Once, cause I'm gonna leave my wife, right? And if I have two sensible wives, the estate that I'm gonna buy, I tell you that I'm gonna buy a property up here. That's what I'm up here doing the same way, right? You're gonna have shares in it. This time.
Me want a Mercedes.
Come tell me why now. I don't like the fight and the rush and this and that. Why can't we all live love?
Alright, you know what I do for me now? When I take this now, I can't say me $2.5 million right now.
Oh no, but
Me want 3.5.
No, that can do after me talk right now.
Alright. If
On my
you
phone.
don't agree, say if I leave my wife and I'm married to Toronto.
Me want 3.5, she want 2.5. Same time we make it
Yeah,
agreement.
check your 3.5 and 4.
And me want 5.
Stop. You can't be equal. Only can be equal.
No, man, you can't
I
take
give
it
you
for them, man.
3 million.
No, 3 million too small.
Too small.
Yes. So I give it 5.5 each. Argument done.
Alright, I'm going to 5.
Send it.
And then we do the marriage.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not going to be a big marriage, everybody know about it. It's going to be about us.
I have to be about us. Him go married us.
Check out your phone.
Send the money first.
So this time, we don't want to buy a fight.
No, send the money. You have my bank information already. 5.5. And that's what we reach. Hurry up, quick.
Not only to
I know I want Mercedes Benz
Don't nothing. No, listen up. When I'm a wife, I want to be responsible, you know. Because
Mercedes Benz jelly. Send the money, man.
Calm down. Alright.
You're my friend there with me. Tired. I am next one and I'm not for you yet. So I'm gonna get account.
No, man, can't do them one up. No.
You should have sent my one first.
No matter who get first, I'll get one again.
Send the money.
5.4 each.
No, yourself. Calm down.
What you say?
5.4.
Make sure I say 5.5. Which two?
We check your phone and tap the ball in the man. Oh, no, go on, so. Calm down. So, you must say now. You don't want the fight. It's some down, some woman and naga them ears and where I'm done with that. Now we want to move into business and making money. Right? And having fun. Right? So, this December coming, I'm looking to get a property in Miami. But because of the war and all these things, we're going to go to Panama. It's going to be us name. We're going to be a unit. It's not going to be like you. It's going to be us. So everybody have a
We take 50 and we take the rest.
No, it's going to share equal. It's going to be equal.
No matter what it is. No matter what it is.
No need to get no way. This is
what about my Mercedes? Let me attack because this big disrespect.
No, listen up. No about vehicle because we're gonna have vehicle. Because when I think we're going to, I was thinking about going into like when big shot people come to Jamaica and they want to travel around the country, they want those type of vehicles. So we're not gonna buy one of them. We're gonna buy the GLE. We're going to buy the SSLE. Jet Tour, the big Jeep, then we're going to get some of them, right? A piece of money come through, but I don't want to say it to nobody. Not to my wife, no. When I'm two wife, I know, when I don't know. Alright? So, I'm going to look into the ring. Wonder if we should fly to somewhere and
yeah, we can go Miami.
Alright? So, what we're going to do now?
Well, me and my friend need to talk. Some things say you need to give a little
space.
Yeah, give a little space.
And we could make an agreement though. Will you take time with me? Because to work on somebody in one night, when I have to set schedule. When I have to set a schedule, right? I can't work it.
No, just do it. Why you tell me say I take you man?
You never tell me eat up me till the stay apart from him, don't?
So you tell me stay apart from the man, then we are the man. Where the man? Alright, watch out now, cat. That the man can have money. I'm not really plan for like my client for you, know. So here we can have a next client. But I'm not really worried that the one they come in, you take the one they two. You say this one now, we go milk him. Drain him. So you see, you get, me get, everybody they get. We go reach for this money. So we're done with him. Done.
Send him back to Canada.
We're gone. So we're supposed to done with this by a couple months time.
Not probably not gonna need so much.
Yes. When we don't know, we book a flight. You go somewhere, we can go to Miami. And it's so nice. You understand? Because this time I feel like I say that you know. But you know so they go the code. I may have one next one too. But female girlfriend is a hell of a thing. I will get the one day. I want the money for myself. So no worry yourself. No man, me no even know this one there. You take that one. Me no. Listen to me. Me there. Me have some things for do. Like if I come get this money, I shopping me go shopping now. And go. And me I go.
But it kind of unfair still. So I want another one, and me I get half of why me can't get more than you right now.
No man, you mean just go look one in one for yourself. Cause you try look out for me and I look out for yourself. Go look at one for yourself. Me can go up on a beach later, but guess what? This a man like him smart. Cause you have to be discreet because the post me come in a country and look out your face. Cause me under hush girl this man. You look at me your friend. But anyways, you have to be smart with this man. Cause he's not really.
Don't worry about that. Look at him out.
Anyways, me soon come. Make girl this between me. Me I go save this money because you have to be smart. But I spend up all the money.
I mean, I talk to my ear.
Anyways, me I have the road to go pan. Come and meet one nice man, one nice old man in the region, yeah. So me go link him. So later me so forward.
Okay, darling.
What husband?
Come here, baby.
You know, so me yes, you can come in, but now sit down. Well, darling, me I go up the supermarket. Go get some things to me and my friend. So you want anything? Them say a lot of times down there, but I think I want that. So we so come here. Me so come back.
You come back to here?
Go now go one time.
No, we have got two different.
Yeah man, me I go to the supermarket. Me then go shop it.
Change our phone.
Man, I want some food. I'm sure, man. I touch on that show.
So now you put on it.
Think you did better. Do you want me to see a picture, you go? Yeah.
Please, me. What if I move on the road?
Yeah, go.
I'm a cousin. I'm a relative them. They live nearby.
When you link them,
Yes. After some I should have visit too.
I'm going to show up, no?
Then tell me someone will get married. Nobody would have married me.
Listen to me. Nobody knows nobody's future. So they can tell us where to get from where you're not get. Because they don't know your future, they can't choose a future for you. Okay? And I got a bright future for you. So you say pray.
Wait, very much.
I'm probably go to some come back finish the movie.
So you're not stay with me.
Why stay for? Don't stay with cousin them for. You don't get jealous and come look me, I can tell a lie for me. Remember that I could tell a cool style there. No? Yeah. Make sure you don't take it off. And let nobody tell about to take it off, let them see so they can switch it.
Take you off.
Millions for it.
But you ever give me them take you off?
I'm just telling you. Okay?
Man.
Continue to be a smart girl. Right?
Oh man,
You do it. Take your time, take your time, take your time, take your time.
Chop.
Make sure to say, you know what I mean? Make sure you be safe on the road and
But I don't dare follow me go.
I'm gonna leave you down there. So make sure no man go run and joke with you down there.
You know some like people already. What do you?
My man friendly. Let's go.
I have no. Because I walk so slow.
Listen to me, sweetie. You don't need to in no rush, okay? This is a brighter future for you. No rush, no fuss. Okay?
But I'm not rush. I'm not sure if them all go away.
What way?
I'm not sure if them all go away now.
Before go.
Follow them.
People then.
Yeah.
Nah, you go. Take your time, you have. Okay. Remember no laugh with no boy, no, yeah, that make you know, you know.
Oh, tá opera. A opera.
Kaka,
Opera.
are we the children come back?
Oh, Julia. When I go, come this, run this. Oh, come this. Where are open? Oh, so this is the little business trip that's going on.
Listen to me. See this place? It's not a guest house, it's not a hotel, it's a complex. Act smart. Remember with the hooligan style like you think.
Act smart. Say no one will say for act smart when you come pay. So I'm getting for idiot. Okay. So I'm having want to bring out the 3,000 that run down place to me. I want to bring up man a dead place.
3,000 may they intend. That's calm seeing them man.
I want that money.
Listen to me. Not just saying that. I don't want to run no money joke with me. Because I don't even know if a some man a book out up as a weed, you know. What you do up here?
What are you doing, personal man?
Where your personal man?
Yeah, personal man.
What you doing up here?
My personal man bring me up here.
Your personal man bring you up here. But make your personal man give you money. You understand? The things you want like a moped man this you talk to?
Oh. So you say, my personal man take my money, right? My personal man. Okay. So I guess your woman go find out about this trade.
Find out about what?
You feel like me not say I get married?
Listen to me.
I'm the last person they want to know.
Whether you know or you don't know, if you try break up that or try get involved, your neck pop off.
You want to test me?
Here.
You know what they say?
Try me.
Try you.
Try me.
Try me. Make the money the reach.
Try me. You think I come up here? Hey, you don't even know. You don't even.
I'm at place in here and I want to bet myself I'm at place in here.
Me in your place.
You never know that.
The place the between your legs.
But no,
listen.
The place that I like to visit.
Listen, you want money? Let's go. I'm going in your place now. Come show you my room.
Show your room? Me I take for you that so you just want wine and dine and me I go marry Jared.
Oh, my money talk and bullshit work. That may make you know. You walk and I drop one side.
See, I guess so different from mine though. See, mama look more fancy.
You like your fancy things, you know. Man, I see the woman who like fancy things.
So, you cook so much for the day.
With me, even if it's just as a friend, cause I'm feeling so alone. And I don't want to feel this anymore.
So, the boys still on because mom soon coming out, so mom's parents are coming out.
Hello, listen to me.
And you done come boogie down already, you get a piece of food as eat, you get a piece of money. So, it's no time for you to live up as eat.
Listen to me, and food, me how you pan this food, this food and I miss me. I'm asking me for day with them when they cook the food. Or the food don't make my mind, I'm get the food. Me I go watch some TV. My man now worry about me, because he have a next year, so me I go relax, don't worry about you, don't worry about me.
You try to tell me say a fancy place now?
I know, I'm a man boogie me down, you boogie me down. You want to cook food. Now what yourself?
You start stay a place with normal then, because it's better for you.
So movie I'm interested though.
Yeah, I want to be interested in movie watching, we have to watch like a full force.
Oh.
I'm afraid.
Balance, calm, balance. So hold on, I want to plan to go up.
Huh?
I want to plan to go up.
You don't worry about that.
Oh. I don't know about that.
You don't worry about that. I have that under control. Leave.
So you never plan to tell me say they come here?
What?
You never plan to tell me say they come here?
Just tell me everything up in here.
Oh, me side man, everything up now. I mean woman I know everything. Me side man, so know everything.
Can't see me.
Because she put too much drama.
Someone like any week from man.
You outside already? Of course, I go back. No, me have a year for one taste. I'm going to tell my name for a man.
You don't see a girl malicious, mama?
Hello, sir. Let's do it.
I'm a free man. Let's go and watch movie, man. Capital. I'm not too like talk with me in the kitchen like I want to spit up the food.
But focus. May I try to do yourself.
Yeah. What's up, baby? I think you did call my phone before you come. Me there, you prepare dinner for you or something.
Prepare dinner?
Yeah.
Where did you get some about?
Huh?
Where did you get some about?
Not today. You'll always be going out, but not today.
I can't pass it on that.
You may buy that for babes, man. Worry yourself. Buy new slippers and buy for you.
You should not say, you know, me say you pass it on me.
The next thing you don't talk, you just get it open. Next time teach you that. Get it open, baby. Nice slippers and buy for you today, man.
You should not say no the size, right?
So what you trying to say that, though?
That big, that is not my size.
Babe, your foot is growing. My father teach me when I'm growing up, buy bigger than your size. So the more your foot grow, you don't have to buy no new one. You can go and rock that, you see it?
Mommy say hi.
Huh?
Mommy say hi.
Oh, bigger up for me, man. You know it cold, you know? Bigger up for me. That cold, you see it?
Let me drink some of the fridge.
Huh?
Let me drink some of the fridge.
You know in there?
No? But all it's with you, so mine.
Oh, I did get thirsty, man. So I drink him. That's all I remember say wrong one me take up. Wrong one me take up, baby. I'm so sorry about that. Say enjoy your day.
Yeah, it was nice.
How they act when you tell them about the engagement?
Let's say, Mommy and I surprised me, but let's say,
Bad man, not true. I see him thing me I tell about. I said, me never did what I really good up. Me go try show them all how I go and you see it. Because me know how mankind stay. True, because a woman them, not true.
yeah.
Just because they man not do that for them. What if they know the word of the ring? They cut off a finger and they learn if they don't love company, whether family or not. Baby girl, can go in her room for me, sit there for me. I comb, I picker. So I sketch me, I want to put my hand there because I cook.
Sure. Your heart.
The slippers. Yes, baby? Huh? Alright, tell me that me can look for it. Huh? No, me hear like one sound out there like a cat go we always run from the doorway, so I pull the door and look and me let it go. And me let it go, it breeze. Yeah, because I don't think come in here can steal out the food. One time, me let go back the door, it breeze. And tree back this other slam up it. Man, trouble him again. Me run him way. Alright. Cat. You know what I do like a cat thing, you know. Huh? When pull it all the time, I fling them off like cat, man.
So why you fling the slippers off like a day and vice versa?
Yeah, me buy it for you. But three big enough to fling off like cat, so they lick him and knock him up, but they not catch him.
Like seriously?
Yeah, man, I do like a cat thing, unless my woman cat was it.
Something else to fling off like it? You have to use the slippers?
No, that was the appointed time. That's the only thing that flick up in my brain. Sorry about that, man. I'm buy one new one because I don't want to wear no slippers while dropping a dirt. So I'm fling dropping a load of poop out there, so can't bother with that.
Okay. Weird.
Yeah. So, get me the quarter now, please.
Yeah, man. Enough respect. This movie that we are embarked on, I haven't get the time yet to sit down and really get into the nitty gritty, but it's gonna be something great. You know what I mean? They're putting them together and add it up. You know what I mean? So give thanks for our support from now. You know what I mean? We soon get into it the real way and see the whole picture. So it have a look of suspense, have a look of delay, but we're coming with it, man. All right. So give thanks for the support from that time to this time. It has been a fight, you know, and for most part of it, we think we are winning. You understand? Because we not give up. We are doing it, and we have a lot of positive people in our corner that give us the strength that's necessary. Not the bag of people. Then we have some people. We have a few haters that really don't like us from the beginning. And the reason why they don't like us is because they don't really like themselves. Because they don't like themselves for the good. You know what I mean? So I try to keep this movie simple and more, you know, reasoning and bag of things come on to show that we can communicate without loud, nice, straight through. We can calm down, we can reason, and we can resolve things, and things can work. Because once there's a will, there will be a way. All right? So, give thanks to the support. You know what I mean? And big up all of the sponsor them from that time to this time that make it possible. You know what I mean? And you yourself can become a sponsor. You know what I mean? Because it's a calling. And I think you should answer. Because it needed. You know what I mean? Lack of funds make the thing stagnant for a while. You know what I mean? And 'cause everything you do casting, coming to Ochi, it's casting and give thanks for the support that make it possible. 'Cause it's a support team. We could there, you know what I mean? Or support the movements. You know what I mean? So give thanks for that. Because without that, it's more difficult. You know what I mean? I take what I take and I do what I do. You know what I mean? So bigger things is there to come. You know what I mean? So we have more dialogue and figure out a way. You know what I mean? Because we're gonna make it. You know what I mean? It's not if, it's just when. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
And guys, please remember to have my vlog channel. I want to post one vlog about it, about the whole Ocho experience. So I don't know what to do. Remember, exclusive thinking. And guys, remember at JAMMIWOOD, and we are going on, what I call this now? We are going on one little experience at Ocho. So guys, please be going. We had a long journey from Negro to come at Ocho just to make this movie possible. So please subscribe. Bye.